चमनप्राश प्रो रेसलिंग लीग सीजन 4 को पावर्ड बाय अमल में अब वक्त है विमेन्स 57 यानी 57 किलोग्राम वर्ग कुश्ती मुकाबले का। स्तुति पंजाब रॉयल्स की ओर से आ रही है बुल्गारिया मूल की मिमी हरिस्तोवा। चमनप्राश प्रो रेसलिंग लीग सीजन 4 को पावर्ड अमल के इस 57 किलोग्राम महिलाओं के मुकाबले के लिए एमपी योद्धा की ओर से आ रही है भारतीय मूल की पूजा ढांडा।
थर थर कांपे धरती आसमान भी कर सकते ना सामना। जो भी आके टकराता है कर देते हैं।
Daawat Chyamanprash Pro Wrestling League Season 4 co-powered by Amul. It is a very important bout for Pooja Dhanda because she is representing MP Yodhas. On the other hand, Mimi from Stuti Punjab Royals has nothing to lose, but yes, if she wins, she gets an advantage. And by the end of the day, it is a sure shot winner, and that's going to be Stuti Punjab Royals. It's time for this very all-important bout. One bout advantage is what Stuti Punjab Royals has, and right now, women's 57 kilogram category, Pooja Dhanda is everybody's favorite, but we have to see if Mimi Haristova gets to win this bout.
Well, Mimi comes in with the advantage of being the European champion and a silver medalist in that category last year. Whereas Pooja is the find of Pro Wrestling League last year, where she defeated the biggest names in this weight category, including the crowd favorite Odonoyo, the Olympic gold medalist Helen Morales, and Marwa Amri, the tigress, the African tigress from Tunisia.
Let's see what is in store in this bout. It is too early to say because this is a bout where we get to see best of the best in the world on your screens. That's Mimi.
Well, Mimi comes in with a set of victory and defeat. Her first match was a high-scoring match where she defeated Betsabeth with a 1-point difference of 14 and 15 was the score. Again, in the second match, she was blocked. Pooja.
Mimi attacking, finding a way to go behind, and yes, she is successful, but her hand has been held by Pooja, so she's not able to take that full posture, which will qualify for a 2-pointer. As of now, still struggling because she is using Pooja's legs to get that conversion. If that was possible, was not possible. So there you have it. Right now, everybody's safe. But then again, with this attack that was initiated, 2-pointer has been scored by Mimi Haristova from Bulgaria. And this is the attack Pooja Dhanda is going for. Pooja Dhanda is somebody you do not mess with, and I think that's what happened. Since Mimi drew that first blood, looks like Pooja Dhanda is all out to win this bout.
The only option for her and her team is to stay in this game is by taking that victory. But I must tell you, Pooja has been under the weather for past 2 days. She's got this viral flu and cold, and that is the reason why she's going to go in for the attack and would want to finish this rather than, wait for the longer.
I don't see a reason why. It is once you're in, you're as good as a fighter. I mean, you got Khansi, Zukam, Nazla, or whatever in the world you get.
Right, Joe.
You don't get that. You get to them. You get to Khansi, Nazla, and Zukam. You don't let them get to you.
I think they zone in themselves so well. It's like a cocoon around them where all these things do not matter once they are focused, and more so for bigger names like Pooja and the icon player like Bajrang. These things don't matter to them much.
Ladies and gentlemen, one more time. The bout is right in the middle with a 2-point advantage and a lead. It is Mimi Haristova from Stuti Punjab Royals. And this is a takedown by Pooja Dhanda. Is she going to be able to convert it? She attacked. Pooja Dhanda has attacked it, and now let's see. Oh, yeah! That is a throwdown! Wow! What a comeback! It is an equalizer by Pooja Dhanda, and right now she's initiated an alligator roll, but it was saved by the bell for Mimi Haristova because the first round is over in this bout. There you have it. There you see that. It was an initiate attack by Pooja, but then in the meanwhile, half-hearted attack by Mimi, which was lost halfway through, and Pooja got in control. Together. Well, it's not the Indian president, that's the president of Wrestling Federation of India and the owner of Pro Sportify and Pro Wrestling. You just the round one again. With a new vigor, Mimi and Pooja are back with new set of instructions because right now both have an equalized point on their kitty. And now we got to see, is Pooja going to initiate that attack? Because Pooja is known to be a killer.
Yes. In fact, all the attacks, major of them, you will find coming from Pooja, because she has less amount of time. She can't go in with her energy. She has to conclude this game as soon as possible. If it goes in the 6th minute, I think Pooja will have difficulty.
Right now, the referee insisting that Mimi Haristova should play on because she was being a little passive. But then again, Pooja Dhanda and Mimi neck on neck. 2 points each in their kitty, and there has to be a sure shot winner. It's a desperate win situation, at least for MP Yodha, because the first 3 bouts, by making a hat trick, were the Stuti Punjab Royal folks, and now it's been 2 bouts which back-to-back have been won by MP Yodha. Is there going to be a hat trick there? That is what we got to see.
In fact, if you see the lineup, MP Yodha has been brilliant when it comes to the women participants. Except Haji Alif, you have stronger names in the MP Yodha. However, today the loss of Ritu Fogat's bout was something that they didn't expect, and that left MP in a little bit of a emergency mode. Look at Pooja,
yeah,
she is
going.
going.
It was actually an attack just for a flash of a second initiated by Pooja, but that was not possible. Again, reaching out, MP Yodha have done it. 4 points. Oh my God. It did not look like her attack, but then it was actually, we'll get to see it in the replay. We're waiting for the replay, but right now, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Pooja went in, but it was preempted by Mimi, but then there was a 4-point lead. Right now, Pooja attacking, getting ahead. Is Pooja going to convert some more points? Of course. And now she's trying to get a roll by collecting both the legs. It's called Feetle, I believe, in Hindi.
Yes, it is. Look at the roll. She's trying to lock her hands under the knees. No, she hasn't been able to do it. But her strategy was very clear. She had to go out for all-out attack because she's less in reserves of energy. She's down with fever. She's down with the viral around, but she stood tall like a true skipper.
Less than 20 seconds of time remaining in this bout. Pooja has done it. She's reversed it for her team. She has a 7-point lead in this bout. Last 11 seconds. Clock stopped right now. Instructions given by the referee, and back into action one more time.
Look at the MP dugout. In fact, they're hosting a party tonight, and I think they were looking, they knew the script well in advance. Look at Pooja. She emerges as the true winner. Amazing skip.
There is still 1 second of play left. With that whistle, that 1 second is over, and we're back again. Ladies and gentlemen, to announce that MP Yodha have done it, and they have a hat-trick as well. Hat-trick for both the teams. It's made official right now by Mr. Ashok Kumar. And the winner, Pooja Dhanda, makes it even for her team, MP Yodha. Punjab Royals had won the first 3 bouts, and the next 3 bouts were won by MP Yodha. What a twist of fate.
ले पंगा।